Hello everybody and welcome back to Mystic Elements. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different again. Today we checking out this 4-volt cordless Bauer stapler over here. You know what I'm saying? Let's get a little close up on it real quick. This thing supposed to be able to, you know what I'm saying, knock out at least 700 staples per charge. You know what I'm saying? Lightweight, you know, easy access to the magazine. We gonna pop that thing over real quick. 4-volt, you know what I'm saying? We gonna bust this old Bauer open and kind of check it out. Right here on the bottom, you got your power button right here on the side. You got your release button for your staples right here on the bottom. You want to make sure you turn it upside down. Go ahead and hit that button to release it. You want to go ahead and drop your staples right here in this open part here. Make sure your open to your staple is face down. Now, go ahead and load that up. Load that up. I mean, load it up. Oh, got it loaded up. You know what I'm saying? You got your power button on the side to kind of tell you, show you, you know, your power that and all that good stuff. Matter of fact, I can't find it right now, but it's on there. But right there? No, I ain't talking about the power button. I'm talking about the light, the indicator button. Thank you very much, sir. But anyway, you know what I'm saying? It comes with its charger as well. You know what I'm saying? Got the old charger over here. Go ahead and plug that in your wall. Plug this up. I charged it up earlier. Probably took me about maybe about 15-20 minutes. Give it a nice charge. But again, supposedly you're supposed to get at least 700 staples out of this. You know what I'm saying? It's so easy to use. Even a 9-year-old can knock this out.
Yeah, even I can do it.
Man.
Let me just power it up.
What?
Let's get it.
Man, that sounded nice right there. Plack out, plack out.
You want to give us
2
one more
times
demonstration, Joey?
One more.
Yeah.
All right, don't be wasting all my staples. You know what I'm saying? I need them for tomorrow. So I'm going to go ahead. Thank you, Joey, for that great demonstration. Joey just powered that down. But not just that. Not only be rocking that Bauer, you can go ahead and pick up 1,000-piece heavy-duty staples to use for your staple gun at Harbor Freight for under $2. Man, that's a deal right there. Your stapler probably hit you about 40 bucks right there, you know what I'm saying? But again, just want to show y'all this Bauer 4-volt cordless stapler. Very nice, looks good. You want to make sure you also clean after every 700 uses, you know, dust it off, you know, check it out before using it again. Use your safety glasses if you have them. We don't, but still, you know what I'm saying? You probably should. Anyway, thank y'all for checking us out right here on Mystic Elements. We out.
Have a great day, guys. Like, subscribe, share the video. Don't forget, we got a Cash App and an Amazon wish list in the description of our channel. So if you guys don't mind and would love to show us a little love, send us a little something. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful day.
Different times, different place, different measures. We out.
You want to say bye?
Bye, everybody.